Why is the southern bell frog disappearing from the River Murray? There are two major parts which form this investigation. Firstly, the vitality of the river system and the status of its health. Is it in decline? Secondly, the southern bell frog's stance in ecosystems and why numbers are dwindling. Does the health of the river affect the abundance of the frog? Spanning 2,508 kilometres and covering 14% of Australia, the third longest navigable river in the world, the iconic River Murray, is aptly named the nation's food bowl, homing thousands of species of animals, amphibians and insects, and supplying water to over 1.5 million homes. Frogs are vital elements of ecosystems due to their ability to work as bioindicators of environmental health. A frog's existence has long been used to measure the physical condition of their surroundings by either their abundance or lack thereof. The southern bell frog is one of Australia's most common and largest frog species and is rapidly disappearing from its habitats along the river. Upon investigation on the health of the river, it has been found that it is in a state of decline. The Sustainable Rivers Audit, which is led by a panel of ecologists, revealed in 2010 issues within the water itself, including high salinity and sediment levels and increased levels of phosphorus and nitrogen. It also stated that almost all of the ecosystems along the river were of poor and very poor quality, having noticeable change in appearance, functionality, loss of a certain species, fauna and flora. The main causes of these were due to land clearings, river flow change, climate change, pollution and toxins. One ecologist stated that declining water quality, loss of biodiversity and increased salinity, mixed with human misunderstanding on the river's purpose, had changed its function and compromised its health. The southern bell frog has been classed as vulnerable under the Commonwealth Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act, endangered in New South Wales, vulnerable in South Australia and threatened in Victoria. According to the Department of Environment and Heritage, the major factors are habitat loss due to clearings, drought, climate change, and interestingly, pesticide and toxin wash-offs from agricultures. This coincides with the study conducted in 2011 showing a pesticide called atrazine used by farmers of rice and corn crops along the river, and it was one of the most dangerous threats to amphibians, penetrating their skin and causing defects and interruptions to their life cycle. Due to the fact that the river is such an important element to Australian sustainability and frogs are crucial for ecosystems, detailed attention must be focused on the preservation and continuity of the river. As of 2008, the Murray-Darling Basin Authority has put in place stringent changes, including irrigated water introduced to improve quality, replanting of trees along the banks, routine testing of salinity and sediment levels, and most importantly, a plan to reduce chemical levels in the water. It is alarming, however, that the main reason for the demise of the southern bell frog has been illuminated due to the decline over the years in the quality of the river. There are many operations put in place to help with the preservation of the southern bell frog, including recognition on certified listings as endangered, the appointment of a recovery team, surveys, research and programs put in place to help with the rectification of the decline, habitat protection and breeding programs in place, and finally, most significantly, the raising of awareness of the importance of frog species within Australia for healthy ecosystems. With that said, the Band-Aid effect will only last as long as there is action taken to rebuild the river due to the intricate interrelationships found in nature and how a demise in one area can cause perilous consequences on another. All Australians have a part to play in sustainable futures. The first step being the desire to increase knowledge and understanding of key issues, even if not directly impacted. Care of our waterways and river systems will help to preserve the delicate ecosystems. In doing so, this beautiful country can continue to be productive, sustained, and most importantly, enjoyed for many generations to come.